Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In previous video, we learned about blood vessels. In this video, we will learn about composition of blood. Blood. Blood is a body fluid in humans and animals that transport necessary substance such as nutrients and oxygen to the cell or tissues and remove metabolic waste away from those same cells. Volume in blood is 7 to 8% of body is filled with the weight of blood. Female consists of 4 to 5 liters of blood and male consists of 5 to 6 liters of blood. pH of blood is 7.35 to 7.45. Average is 7.4. Now we will learn about functions of blood. Blood supplies oxygen lungs to tissue bound of hemoglobin which is carried by red cells. Removal of waste such as carbon dioxide, urea and uric acid. Blood supply of nutrients such as glucose, amino acids and fatty acids. It dissolve in blood or bound to plasma proteins. Now we will learn about composition of blood. Blood is divided into two parts. One is plasma and one is cells. Plasma contains 55% and it is in non-nuclear. Cells are 45% and it is nuclear. Plasma. It contains 91% of water, 7% of proteins such as albumin, fibrinogen and globulin, and 2% of nutrients such as sugar, amino acids and lipids, and hormones, example insulin, T3, T4, TSH, and so on. And electrolytes consist of sodium, potassium, chloride, and waste products such as urea, bilirubin, and creatinine. Gases such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and nitrogen. Ions and minerals contains calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc, phosphate, bicarbonate, and hydrogen. Cells. Cells consist of 45% and it is in nuclear. 44% of RBC, 1% of WBC. In WBC there are types: neutrophils, basophils, eosinophils, lymphocytes, monocytes and platelets. Now we will learn about RBC. It means red blood cells or erythrocytes. RBC contain hemoglobin which is carry out oxygen and nutrients and transport throughout body. Circular, biconcave and non-nucleatic disc. Size of red blood cells is 7 to 8 micrometer. Thickness of red blood cells is 2 micrometer. And lifespan for this RBC is 120 days. Amount of RBC. In males 4.5 to 6 millions and in females 4.5 to 5 millions. RBC formed in red bone marrow and destroy dead RBC in liver, which is called spleen, and we can also call it as grave of RBC. Vitamin B12 and folic acid used to stimulate in RBC maturation. Now we will learn about white blood cells or leukocytes. Circular, smaller in size, and it is in colorless. All white blood cells contain nuclei formed in bone marrow and destroyed in blood. Lifespan of white blood cells is 5 to 7 days. Size of white blood cells. Count 7 to 11,000. It protects by body harmful foreign particles or infectious diseases. It exchanges to stimulate antibody protection. WBC can be divided into two categories on the basis present of granules and agranules. Granules present is called granulocytes. Granules absent is called agranulocytes. Now we will learn about classification of WBC. Granulocytes contains neutrophils, basophils and eosinophils. Neutrophils contains 50 to 75%. Basophils contains 0 to 1%. Eosinophils contains 1 to 35%. Agranulocytes contains 2. It is lymphocytes and monocytes. Lymphocytes contain 7 to 15% and monocytes contains 20 to 40%. And last, we will learn about platelets or thrombocytes. It is very smaller in size. It means 2 to 3 micrometer and it contains non-nuclei. Count 1.5 to 3.5 lakhs. Lifespan of platelets is 5 to 7 days and it helps in the blood clotting. This is all about blood. In next video we will learn about heart. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe for more videos.